Good morning, Mr. Davies. Just checking in before your procedure today. We need to confirm you've been adhering to the dietary instructions.
Oh, good morning, Mihira. Yes, I think so. I haven't had anything solid since midnight, just some water. My wife made me a small cup of black coffee first thing, without milk or sugar, of course, because I usually have quite a strong brew to start the day.
Thank you for that, Mr. Davies. The nothing by mouth rule, or NBM, is quite strict. Even that black coffee, unfortunately, could be problematic. The doctor specifically requested no liquids other than plain water after midnight. We've had a few instances where seemingly harmless sips have led to delays.
Really? Just black coffee? I thought it was only food that was the issue. I even skipped my usual early morning medication, the blood pressure pill, because I knew I wasn't supposed to take anything. I'm usually very careful about my health.
I appreciate your diligence with the medication, Mr. Davies. That was correct. However, for this particular procedure, it's crucial that your stomach is completely empty. Even a small amount of liquid, like coffee, can increase the risk of aspiration during anesthesia, which means stomach contents could accidentally enter your lungs. This is a rare but serious complication. That's why we emphasize the clarity around plain water only, and then nothing at all closer to the time. We want to ensure the safest possible environment for your procedure.
I see. So it's about the anesthetic, not just digestion. Mihira, that makes more sense now. I wish they'd explained that bit more clearly on the sheet.
Absolutely. We try to be comprehensive, but sometimes the specifics get lost.
Mihira, I want you to know that how you feel about your body is important, not because of the way you look, but because of how it affects your happiness and health. When worries about your body are left unmanaged, they can slowly cause real problems. You might start avoiding food, eating very little, or exercising too much, even when you are tired or hurt. These actions can lead to things like disordered eating or feeling unable to rest without guilt. Over time, your mind may also begin to feel heavy with constant anxiety or sadness, making you compare yourself to others and feel never good enough. Please remember, this is not your fault, and you are not alone. To protect yourself, you can try simple, gentle habits. Eat regular meals because your body needs fuel, not because you are trying to change your shape. Move your body in ways that feel good, like a short walk or gentle stretching, not as punishment. And do not forget to sleep well, because rest helps your mind stay strong and calm. You are more than what you see in the mirror. Being kind to yourself, little by little, is the best thing you can do for your own well-being.